Seniors, stop taking creatine before you hear this. The 2 morning vitamins that build muscle faster. A lot of fitness influencers will tell you to take at least 5 grams of creatine powder every day to build muscle. But here's the truth, it doesn't work that way. Even if you take your creatine daily, you won't see real muscle growth. And here's why. First, taking creatine without intense, consistent workouts won't do much. Creatine only works when your muscles are pushed to the limit. But if you're over 60, lifting heavy weights regularly just isn't practical. The risk of injury is too high. Second, to see any results from creatine, you need to drink at least 2 liters of water every day, sometimes even more. But that's not realistic for most seniors. As we age, our kidneys don't function as efficiently as they used to, and drinking that much water can lead to frequent nighttime trips to the bathroom. That constant waking interrupts deep sleep, and good sleep is absolutely essential for building and repairing muscle. So, if creatine isn't the best option for seniors who want stronger muscles, what should you take instead? In this video, I'll explain the 2 vitamins you should drink first thing in the morning before breakfast that can actually help you build and preserve muscle. I'll start with the simpler one that works surprisingly fast, and then reveal the best one last. I'll also share 3 common foods you're probably eating right now that are quietly stopping your muscles from growing. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do it now, you'll want to see what's coming next. Let's get started. Number 1. Vitamin C. Most people know creatine helps your muscles hold more water, which makes them look fuller and perform better. When you start taking creatine, your muscles soak it up like a sponge and pull in extra water too. That's why many people notice their weight go up a pound or 2 after starting it. But here's something most seniors miss. Vitamin C can help your muscles in a far more natural, sustainable way, and without the stress creatine puts on your kidneys. Unlike creatine, vitamin C supports a wide range of functions that help your body rebuild itself from the inside out. It's a powerful antioxidant that protects your muscles from damage after walks or light workouts. It also helps produce collagen, the key protein that keeps your joints and connective tissues strong. Vitamin C strengthens your immune system, reduces inflammation, and promotes faster recovery after activity. It's gentle on the kidneys, helps you sleep better, and it's easy to get, either from fruits and vegetables or a simple supplement. In short, vitamin C helps your body repair, recover, and rebuild naturally, no heavy lifting or excessive water needed. Taking vitamin C before breakfast is one of the simplest ways to support real muscle growth. On an empty stomach, it's absorbed faster and begins repairing muscle fibers right away. It also helps your body use protein from breakfast more efficiently, converting it into energy and strength instead of storing it as fat. By reducing inflammation and soreness from daily movement, it helps you stay active longer. A large study that followed more than 13,000 adults between ages 42 and 82 found that those with higher vitamin C levels, from both food and supplements, had significantly more muscle mass than those who didn't. Even among adults over 65, the difference was clear. Vitamin C helped them stay stronger, more mobile, and recover faster from everyday activity. Here are a few easy ways to get your daily dose. Start your morning with a fresh orange or grapefruit, both packed with more vitamin C than most people get in an entire day. You can also blend a smoothie with kiwi, pineapple, and spinach for a boost of antioxidants that help repair tissue after your walks. At lunch, squeeze fresh lemon juice over your food or into your water bottle. It's an effortless way to give your muscles and joints extra support throughout the day. For dinner, try steamed broccoli or red bell peppers drizzled with olive oil. Healthy fats help your body absorb vitamin C more effectively. And before bed, drink a cup of warm water with lemon to help your body recover overnight. This simple routine gives you more than 500 milligrams of vitamin C a day, exactly what your body needs to rebuild and strengthen while you sleep. But here's something important. While vitamin C is powerful, it's only half the equation. To truly rebuild and maintain strong muscles, especially after your morning walks, you need to pair it with one more thing. Number 2, probiotics. Your gut controls how your entire body absorbs nutrients. No matter how many supplements or protein shakes you take, if your gut isn't healthy, your muscles never get the full benefit. That's where probiotics come in. Probiotics restore the balance of good bacteria in your digestive system. This helps your body absorb protein, vitamin D, and amino acids, all essential for muscle repair and growth. When your gut microbiome is healthy, nutrient absorption stays strong for up to 8 hours after eating. Your body uses what you eat efficiently, rebuilding muscle tissue and fueling strength. But when your gut bacteria are out of balance, something that affects nearly half of all seniors, your digestion slows, inflammation rises, and your muscles get less protein from your meals. This makes recovery slower and muscle maintenance much harder. Probiotics also reduce bloating, improve sleep quality, and boost your body's natural growth hormone production, especially when combined with vitamin C and proper rest. Each probiotic capsule contains billions of live cultures that repopulate your gut with healthy bacteria. The result? Better digestion, more efficient nutrient absorption, and stronger muscles. Seniors with good gut health often wake up feeling more energized, less stiff, and noticeably stronger, even without major changes in their routine. A recent 12-week study on adults over 60 found that those who took probiotics containing lactobacillus and bifidobacterium saw a 32% increase in muscle protein synthesis and recovered 40% faster after exercise than those who didn't. That's because probiotics don't just help your stomach, they activate pathways that connect the gut directly to muscle repair. Ancient Japanese healers even used fermented foods like miso and kefir to restore strength after illness centuries before modern science proved why it worked. For best results, take your probiotic supplement before breakfast, with a full glass of water. That's when your stomach acid is low and live cultures can thrive, setting up your body for a day of better digestion, energy, and recovery. But there's one more thing you need to know. Even the best vitamins and supplements won't help your muscles if you're still eating the wrong foods in the morning. 3 foods that block muscle growth. These next 3 foods may seem harmless, or even healthy, but they quietly undo all your progress. The last one on this list is something most seniors eat every single day. Let's go through them one by one. 1. Soy milk. This one surprises most people. Soy milk is often promoted as a healthy plant-based alternative full of protein. Many seniors drink it daily, thinking it helps with muscle and bone strength. But soy milk can actually slow muscle growth as you age. Here's why. Soy contains phytoestrogens, plant compounds that mimic estrogen. When you consume them regularly, they can lower testosterone levels, the key hormone for muscle repair and strength. This effect is stronger in older adults, whose testosterone is already naturally declining. Even though soy has protein, it's low in methionine, an amino acid your muscles need to rebuild properly. Without enough methionine, your body struggles to form new muscle fibers. Soy also contains phytates, which block the absorption of important minerals like zinc, iron, and magnesium, the very nutrients your muscles rely on for repair. For some people, soy can even disrupt gut balance, leading to bloating and inflammation that slow nutrient absorption. A 2021 review found that seniors who drank soy milk regularly had lower testosterone levels and slower muscle recovery compared to those who consumed whey or other non-soy proteins. Take Harold, one of my clients. He's 79 and used to drink soy milk daily. He walked every morning and ate plenty of protein, but his muscles kept getting weaker. After switching from soy milk to fermented dairy and plant proteins like pea and rice, he gained 3 pounds of lean muscle within a month and felt stronger than ever. If you want to rebuild muscle, skip soy milk. Choose Greek yogurt, eggs, or soy-free protein shakes instead. Your hormones will rebalance, and your muscles will recover faster. 2. Energy drinks, especially at night. Energy drinks might give you a quick boost, but they can quietly destroy your progress, especially if you drink them in the evening. Here's why. These drinks spike cortisol, your body's main stress hormone. High cortisol at night blocks growth hormone, the very hormone responsible for muscle repair while you sleep. Without it, you can't rebuild effectively. Caffeine from these drinks can also stay active for up to 8 hours, preventing deep, restorative sleep. That's when muscle recovery and hormone regulation take place. Plus, most energy drinks are loaded with sugar or artificial sweeteners. Both cause inflammation, making your muscles less sensitive to amino acids and blocking protein synthesis. I remember Elaine, a 74-year-old retired nurse. She walked daily and ate healthy but couldn't gain strength. Turns out, she was drinking an energy drink every evening. Once she replaced it with water and herbal tea, her sleep improved, her soreness disappeared, and within 3 weeks, her strength started to return. The takeaway is simple: energy drinks don't build energy, they steal it. If you want to stay strong, avoid caffeine late in the day and let your body rest naturally. 3. White bread. White bread might seem harmless. It's soft, easy to digest, and goes well with tea, but for seniors, it quietly undermines muscle repair. White bread is made from refined flour, stripped of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. That means it causes your blood sugar to spike quickly. These constant spikes lead to insulin resistance, which blocks your muscles from absorbing amino acids. Without them, your body can't build or maintain muscle properly. Even worse, high blood sugar raises cortisol, which breaks down muscle tissue instead of repairing it. A 2021 study found that older adults who ate high glycemic foods like white bread before bed had 34% less nighttime growth hormone release than those who didn't. That means slower recovery, weaker muscles, and more belly fat. Take George, a 76-year-old retired coach. He took all the right supplements and walked every day but kept losing muscle tone. We discovered he was eating 2 slices of white bread with honey before bed. After switching to oats with berries, his morning stiffness disappeared, and within a month, he started regaining lean muscle. White bread feeds your cravings, not your muscles. Swap it for oats, quinoa, or sweet potatoes, complex carbs that fuel true muscle recovery overnight. Which of these foods have you been unknowingly eating at the wrong time? Tell me in the comments. I read every one. If you're ready to rebuild your strength, I've created a 30-day senior muscle revival meal plan. It includes over 90 high-protein, probiotic-friendly meals that support recovery, strength, and joint health, while avoiding the foods that hold you back. And tomorrow, I'll share a simple nutrition secret proven to boost muscle repair by over 30%, without any exercise required. It's something you've never heard before, and it's going out only to subscribers. So hit that subscribe button now, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.